Hello, this time we will present a PC sales web app called Rakitin. This web app was developed by
Ahmad Afif
and
Riko Yuda Saputra.
this web application sells various types of PCs, whether in terms of computer hardware type to the type of casing of the computer. Because Rakitin application is a PC builder application, where customers can also determine the form of PC they want. For more details, let's start the prototype. This is the view of the menu about us. On this menu there is information about this Rakitin web application. If the customer wants to know this Rakitin web application in detail, customers can find out from this menu. So, let's move on to the next menu. This is the gallery menu. Rakitin web applications have made some examples of PC to be assembled. In this menu, the customer can see the form of PC that has been assembled by web Rakitin application. From this gallery menu, customers will be able to know the ability of Rakitin web application in building or assembling a PC. Are you getting interested in web Rakitin apps? Let's move on to the next menu. This is the PC building menu. On this menu, customers can choose the specification of PC to be assembled. In this menu, there are many choices of parts of computer hardware to be assembled, such as CPU, motherboard, video card, memory, storage and more. And customers can choose the specification part one by one. So, let's start by choosing the CPU part. If we choose CPU part, we will be able to see various kinds of CPU that have been available. We can also see the price of the CPU we will choose. At this time we will try to choose AMD Ryzen 7 1800K. After we select it, there will be information about the type of CPU selected and its price. So, let's choose motherboard part. Just like on the CPU menu, on this menu we can also see the type of motherboard available. For now, we will choose MSI X370 part. For video card, we will choose Asus GTX 1080 Ti. For part memory, we will choose G-Skill Trident Z. For part storage or hard drive, we will choose Seagate Iron Wolf. For part power supply, we will choose Cooler Master. For the choice of casing, here there are various options. Is the usual form, formed on the table, until it is formed on the wall. For this time, we will choose to be formed on the wall. For the monitor part, we will choose Monitor Seiki Sum 40 UNP. For accessories parts, we will choose UPS Tip Light Accessories. And lastly, we will try to select Cooler Master as our last part. Here we will be able to see details of PC part that we choose and also its price. If all parts have been selected, then we choose OK. Here will be seen the total amount of payments to be paid by the customer. In addition, there is also a menu discussion about the desired form of PC. On this menu, the customer can enter the idea of the formation of the PC that customers want. For example, a customer wants an outboard PC and in club motif AC Milan. Customers can also enter their ideas through images by way of attached file input. If all is suitable and sure, then next choose order. In this menu, there will be information about the order summary that customers do. Here is the menu, order number, user ID, shipping address, payment method and total payment. A web Rakitin application gives 2 hours for a customer to make a payment. The customer must pay in accordance with the total payment that has been selected. After that, customers can choose Add Chart to include shopping options to the shopping cart. And automatically the shopping cart will be an item. After all done and the shopping cart is filled, then the next step is select checkout. This is the payment confirmation menu. If the customer has made the payment, then the customer can input payment data. After payment data filler, customer choose Send. After payment data received by the admin, then the PC will be formed by Rakitin web application technicians. Customer will receive proof of order to be sent by email. The web Rakitin application will send the customer's pre-booked PC within 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the order of the PC being ordered. This is our presentation. Hope this application can be a customer best friend in purchasing and assembling PC. So, thank you very much for your attention. Regards, Rakitin.